What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and I'm going to explain what each of the wires, inputs, and outputs do on the XBAR-32. So now that we have our speaker all mounted, we're going to want to use these wires to power our speaker, so let me quickly explain what each of these wires do. So this yellow wire here is the 12 volt power wire, which runs to the 12 volt terminal of your battery. Then we have the red accessory wire that runs to the ignition of your vehicle. And then we have the black ground wire that runs to the ground terminal of your battery or the metal chassis of your vehicle. So again, to summarize, we're going to run the yellow wire to the 12 volt of our battery, the accessory wire to the ignition of our vehicle, and the black wire to the ground terminal of our battery or the metal chassis of our vehicle. Since we're not using a vehicle in our setup today, we're going to run the accessory wire to the 12 volt terminal of our battery. Now aside from that, we have the blue remote wire that can run to an external amplifier that's powering additional speakers or subwoofers. So as soon as our speaker system powers on, the amplifier will power on as well. We also have the RCA left and right pre-outputs if we want to expand our setup even further with powered speakers or subwoofers. And lastly, we have the Aux input that we can use with our included aux cable to connect any MP3 devices. So after you've run the power, the speaker should automatically turn on, but just in case it doesn't, you can hold down the power button on top here for 3 seconds to power on your speaker. So hopefully this showed you what each wire, input, and output do on your XBAR-32, but of course if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.